All right, folks. I guess we are on. I hope so, at least. My wire's not too short. We have this baby here right now. Let me see if we're actually live here, since it's Friday and all. But I think we are. Yes, we are. So, hi, welcome. Happy Friday. We are at, well, I am at Smile Design Dental Laboratory again. See if I can switch the camera around here a little bit, and we want to talk about the Motion 3 a little bit. What has changed, what is different in comparison to the other machines. We are now using these, right? If you know the Matic Rotos, the Ceramill tools, those are RFID chipped burrs. So there's an RFID chip in it for your tool liberation, helps you preventing mix-ups with your burrs, with your diameters, the sizes. The tool life is stored on the chip, so even if you take them out and place them in the mill, or for the matter, place them in the big boy, in the Matic over there, the machine will know what is the residual tool life on it, what diameter it is, what it is, and you can't really do anything wrong with that anymore. You can place them anywhere. The Matic has a couple more holders than what the Motion 2 has, but still, you can just basically throw them or put them anywhere you want. Maybe not throw, but put them anywhere you want. What else is new? You can maybe sort of kind of see, we have a display here, an HMI, so very similar to the Matic. Can we now use the Move software? We can send cases automatically over. I'm actually going to see if I can maybe move that camera a little bit. I know my USB died. Okay, let me see. I'm going to see if I can move that camera without messing everything completely up, so that I can maybe show you a few more things up close. There you go. All right. So now you can see we have a touch display up here. You can now maybe see that our holder looks a little bit different. It is very much like the Matic holders or the Micro 5X holder, where we have a better faceplate compared to, move over here to the classic Motion 2 or the DNA version of it, where we had those three plastic clips on here. So our blank is held a little bit better in the machine. And our tool sensor has gotten an update. It's gotten a little beefier. Like I already said, you can hopefully see that the tools are now the RFID sleeves. If I am going on display here, I hope that it's not too much glare. There's a plenty of glare. Say open protective door. It basically pops open with compressed air. And the only other thing what I want to point out maybe is this right here is a camera. So to show you that, I'm just going to go over to the computer for a sec. Okay, tangled up. And I'm going to show you what we're going to see here. Second on the camera. Okay, so if I'm looking at my desktop here for a moment, and I bring my Move software up, you can now see the view of the camera. Okay, and if I hopefully find, hey Albo, where did the calibration stuff go? Where did the calibration insert go for the motion 3? I don't know which drawer. It took it. I'm going to show you the other calibration. Thank you. So on a motion 2, you know, the calibration was a little bit tedious. We have now, let me see if you guys can see that. We have now this disk insert here. We have a timing notch on there to make sure this is at 12 o'clock. I am going to take the faceplate off because I know what's going to happen, and already insert this. If I wasn't sure what I'm doing here, I could, on the display, go to maintenance and then calibration, and it would walk me through literally step by step what I need to do here. Okay. I think I already said it. It's running off the same move software like the Matic, which is great because we have the ability to, on the HMI and the touch display, to re-sort and rearrange our jobs. That wire, what I just put on there, is the ground wire. If I am now, let me do that together with you on the screen here for a second. Let's make this a little smaller. Make sure, yep, that is all on here. Very good. Put the camera over here for a sec. And if I was to go to HMI remote control, we can basically together look at what is on the HMI display. And I can go pause the tool, open the door, turn on suction the air, whatever, and change the blank folder. And I'm going to go to the menu and go to maintenance, say calibrate machine, and then you can basically see the on-screen instructions now. Okay, this has to line up. Clean calibration body mounted as shown. And say next and okay. Now make electrical connection to socket in the interior. We've done that. But what you cannot see is the door has popped up, popped open. I'm going to shut this again. Okay. It's making a tool change. And it wants the calibration pin. So I will give the machine the calibration pin. Go. Close the door. Pickup. Seems like we have a little bit of a lag here, video wise. Apologies for that. It has a calibration pin, and we're basically in the midst of the calibration process. I'm going to make this full screen here. The machine will basically touch different points on the calibration objects. The calibration tool will make a contact and close the circuit. And the machine knows, the software knows where it's at. And the distance will be known, position will be known, and then can be calibrated calibrates itself. And as you can see maybe on the screen, or you saw, the whole process takes approximately 5 minutes, where we can now make this a weekly routine, no harm done, with 5 minutes every Monday or Friday, whenever you want to do that. And you know you have a well-calibrated machine where with the Motion 2 Classic or DNA, a set of cubes, 1 cube, 10 minutes, a set of them, 20 minutes. Getting somebody on the phone, even to get somebody instantly and get somebody who knows what they're doing, making the numbers, the remote connection, going through the measurements, all of that. That's probably also going to take 20 minutes. So you're looking at 40, and then you're running one other set to validate the calibration. So you're at 60 minutes. So here we have 5 minutes versus 60 minutes. That's time savings. Of course, you can do other stuff when it mills test tubes. It's not as involved, but in this scenario here, you're basically already milling crowns again. That's definitely a feature I've been waiting on the most for, so I thought that would be nice for you guys to see, good to share. Happy to see this on the Motion 3, definitely. So if I haven't mentioned it, we're at Smart Design in New York. Albert here is running the CAD/CAM department. And this the owner together with Lenny. They have a Matic here, they have a Motion 2 Classic here, Motion 2 DNA, now the Motion 3, 2 Ceramill Micro 4X. Lots of equipment.